Hey guys, I'm making this video to address this code P1463. The only reason for this code coming active is it's telling the ECM that there's a fault code present in your DEF control module. That's what that code is for. It could be anything, any fault code in your DEF control module, it'll set that same code. So don't be looking in your ECM for diagnosing this code. You got to open up your control module, the DEF control module. I'll do right now. And find out what code is setting that code. There we go. So we have a exhaust NOx concentration high code that's causing this one to come active. So once we fix this problem, it'll take care of this one. So that's all that P1463 is for. It just tells the ECM that there's a fault code in your diesel exhaust fluid control module. Okay, so you got to look at this code.